Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, here to show you how to identify faulty thermostats. Yes, your thermostat got stuck, that you can't identify it, or you don't even know that it's your thermostat causing the overheating, but not the head gasket that got bent, but the thermostat that creating overheating. So this is how you identify faulty thermostats. How to identify the thermostat. As you can see, this is the water pump. Water pump is here. This one. This is the water pump. And this one is the thermostat. So this car is cruise, solid cruise. So here you can locate the thermostat. So if the thermostat got stuck, it's not working again, what it can create is overheating. See that your reservoir tank, the water will start boiling. You think that is the head gasket that got bent. What I want to show you is, firstly check if your thermostat is working before. And how can you check and how can you identify? If you hold here, if the thermostat is not working, it's stuck. If you hold this place, hold this is the hose, this is the water hose. This is the water hose, the coolant hose. Hold here, you can feel that the hose is hot while the engine is running. Yes, you can see the hose is hot. Then you come here where the thermostat is. This is the thermostat hose. This is the thermostat hose. Then you touch this place too. You can see that where the thermostat is located is cool. Like it's cool. It's not hot. It's cool, normal cool. It has been cold, and here is hot. That means that, which means that the thermostat has stuck. It's not working. That's why it's creating overheating for your engine. So this is how to identify stuck or bad thermostat. Let me take you to this car. So let me take you to this car so that you can see this one too. This car too is different, where you can find the thermostat hose, the hose that connects to the thermostat. You can find it here. This is it. This is the thermostat hose. Yes. So when you pour water in the reservoir, if the thermostat got stuck, pour water into the reservoir and see that the water is not flowing. We want to check that it has got stuck. Open this tab. This is the Equinox. Yes, Equinox. You open this and then you pour the water. If it didn't come out here, which means the thermostat has got stuck. And then the two is that as the car is running, then you touch the hose where the thermostat is located. Then you touch it, you feel that the hose is cool, and then here is hot. Well, the water, as you pour the water, it's supposed to come out from the return hose. This is the return hose. Yes, so you can see that here will be cool, but here the water will not flow from this place because this is the return hose. So immediately you pour the water to the reservoir. Yes, the water is supposed to come out here from the return hose. If it didn't happen like this, then your thermostat has got stuck. It's not working again. Your thermostat has got spoiled. So it's supposed to change your thermostat, or you take it from the engine, then you fix another one, or you put it, you fix it back like that. You don't fix the thermostat, but you fix the hose without the thermostat. Then you pour your water inside. Then you can see that your water will begin to flow from the return hose. So this is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.